How to activate your debit card in Bank of America application. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can activate your debit card in Bank of America application. For this, at first you have to go to your Bank of America website and log into your online account. There you have to verify your identity and your debit card. Your debit card will be activated. Likewise, you can also prefer calling a bank representative to assist you to activate it. For this, you have to call on 800-276-9939. You can say you enter your full account number and then follow the prompts. Again, if what you can do from your application is that you can download the application from your iOS or your Android device and then log in with the same information as your online banking account and find your new card under the accounts and activate it. So this is the way on how you can do it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.